Guys, welcome. My items has arrived. There's 2 items actually arrived today. Didn't know until I got home. First one wasn't spot off, but the one I realised came was small enough to go through my letterbox, so my mum didn't know about that one. So, items. These are the handlebars. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to open that one first. Let's do this.
Are you going back out on the side?
Yeah, that's why it's not in the house, I can. Use back. See how whatever that is. Light, innit? Thank you, Mum. Alright. Yeah. Oi!
What up, bitch?
You got your revenge now.
Huh?
You got your revenge. I'm actually recording. Hello! Nice!
Have they got the pinhole, or are you going to need to drill one? You're going to need to drill one, aren't you?
Yeah. Alright, so put. That's loud. Ow.
And you've scuffed them already.
No.
You haven't even got them on the bike, you've already scuffed them.
So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. This one came through my letterbox. I got in, and it fell out of the letterbox. This one. So I'm wondering what this one is. So let's open this one now. This is oh, it's the clips. Yes. Wait. So, give me a sec, guys. We'll be back in a minute. It was just my confusion, but yeah, my clips, what my Ghost XL use, is connected, goes on it. So yeah.
Yeah, I will be coming back. I got sidetracked talking to a neighbour.
So yeah.
Giving him some stickers.
Alright, give me a sec, guys. Alright. Kinda scared me then. Yeah, I didn't know you put your helmet in my finger. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna record this part.
$10 If it's not 10, it'll be 12. Perfect. 10?
Yeah. Alright, don't let me forget about that. I left my fucking thing in there, don't I? You know what? I'll get that thing first.
What?
The new handlebars.
Honestly, he would forget his head if it weren't attached to his neck.
Yes, I would LMAO.
Wouldn't you? Just say yeah.
That bit.
I think like that.
Yeah, I would like that as well.
Pretty good.
Do you reckon I need the extended for that?
How does that feel?
Weird, because it's new and it's not like these. But
Like turn the bars, how does it feel?
Kind of feeling like I'm going wide, but I'd say the extensions might make it more comfortable.
Feel a little bit more like what you used to. Yeah, because obviously with this you've got quite a big drop.
Yeah.
How your bars are, where obviously this, you know, the angle's different. The amount of drops different. It's almost a straight bar. That looks sick though, that dude.
Yeah, it does.
It does look good. It does look good in gold.
Yeah. Looks more better in gold. Oh, that's tightening.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Always remember that.
Yeah.
For a standard screw thread, if you turn it left, you'll loosen it. Turn it right, you'll tighten it.
Yeah.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah, once you've figured out what position you want the bars in, you will have to drill a little hole for this switch gear.
What about that one?
No, I don't think you need one on that one, because all it's for, because this one, your grip basically is just like stuck to the bar itself, where this one, it's sort of separated for your throttle. Yeah. The inner bit has to stick to it and not move, so usually there's a pin in it to make sure that it doesn't move.
I'll probably get my dad to do that, because I'm not doing that on my own, but unless you're willing to help me out as well.
You know I'm willing to help you out, mate.
But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is.
Yeah, you just want to test fit.
Yeah.
Make sure you put these in a comfortable position, because again, you could, you know, before you put them back, tighten them up, you can move them forward, move them back, just get them to a comfy place.
Butterfingers now.
Yep. So what do you think of your gold bar?
Fucking hell, mate.
Alright, it's gonna look so much nicer with that bar on.
Oh yeah.
What do y'all reckon? I reckon this is the most valuable part of his bike. This sticker here, I think that's probably one of the most valuable parts of his bike.
You reckon
if you've not already, Northwest Biker, go check him out. He's an idiot with a camera, so he says.
That is sorted, tested, checked. Love it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you all in the next one, because I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. Don't forget to check Northwest Biker out. Peace.